Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you missed my previous video, make sure to watch that first. So it's about Victoria Parliament building. So we had just finished checking out from the Parliament buildings, and from there we are headed out to our second stop, Victoria Inner Harbour, right across from the Parliament buildings. So while we are heading to there, actually this is what we saw. So look at these houses. Actually there are horse-drawn carriages, and also yes, you can actually take a ride around downtown Victoria with them. There's a ticket counter nearby, and also actually they look very nice, and they really make the whole area feel like extra special. So if you have time, please go and have a ride there. I think we came on a perfect day, and it was Saturday actually, and it was one of the busiest weekends of the summer in Victoria because there were 3 cruise ships were in Victoria on that day. I will bring another vlog on that too. We all know that Victoria is very tourist attraction place. So I think on summer there are some frequent some events happening near this area. So on that day actually there was like a boat dance performing on the water. You can see it on my video. So it's actually nice. So people were like cheering, and they were very enjoying that scene. Since it was such a busy weekend, there were a lot of local stalls set up along the harbour area, and you can find handmade items, decorations, souvenirs, and so many nice things, and also like food stalls. So if you are visiting Victoria, this is a great place to pick up something to remember your trip. And also right over there was a place to book a whale watching tour. Like just imagine heading out into the ocean and seeing whales. So actually there were some time arrangements that those boat rides are available. So there was a store, so you can head up to that and get their information and book the tickets if you go there. So we came here in the morning actually, and it was already so beautiful. But if you have time, I really suggest coming back in the evening too, because I think that scenery will be very nice. And also once the Parliament building light up, the whole harbour light feels completely different, and it looks so magical. I think you can see it on my Parliament video, the night setup with the lights. So in that same video you can see the harbour lights. So that's it in my today's video. I hope you guys really enjoy my video. So please watch till the end, so you can see a lot of things. And also if you haven't watched my previous videos, please go and watch those videos, and please subscribe my channel, then you will get notified once I uploaded my next vlog. So thanks for watching.